Hit it hard and strong, guys.
Yeah.
1, 2, 3, 4.
Oh no, something happened.
Ooh.
There's no music and no lights.
Close the curtains. Close the curtains.
You can't close the curtains because the power blew!
Oh no.
What we gonna do?
Hey, wait. No power, no problem.
What we do?
Oh, I know. We do something acapella.
Duke, you don't even know what that means.
Yeah, what's that?
Yeah, dude, it means something with no musical accomplishments.
Dude, that's musical accompaniment.
Yeah.
I do that.
I don't think the company's gonna give you any mints either, dude. I think we don't have no power, we don't have no show.
Hey,
Right.
Billy Bob, why don't you huddle us up and
Okay,
get...
huddle up. Here we go.
Okay, folks, hang on just a second, folks. Here,
Okay,
come on,
now,
guys.
Billy Bob, you take the B.
Why don't you do the third and I'll take the fifth.
Ding, ding, ding.
Okay.
And I'll go, and I'll sing the lead.
I think I can sing that part.
Okay, that's right.
Okay, we
Okay, is
got it.
everybody ready?
Yeah, we got it.
Okay. Now, folks, we ain't never done this before, but just bear with us. Here we go.
Oh boy.
Know why the power blew. Know why it blew. When we get some power, when we get some juice, we'll be back to play a song for you.
Oh, I don't know why our power is gone. Maybe it's because Pat's turned his big hair dryer on. We checked the fuse box, man, and it was blown apart. Know why? Know why? It just went pop.
Yeah, yeah.
Jerry, our technical can't fix anything, it's true. You get it working and we'll play a song for you. We'll be right back now in a moment or 2 or 3. Hey guys, it's back on. Know why the power Know why the power blew.